Alright, y'all, we are about to go get the kids. Get my daddy. Get my daddy. Get him how he riding this darn thing up this darn here. We about to go get the kids. My outfit of the morning, or afternoon, it's 11:25. We coming back home and change clothes because I thought it was supposed to be cool in the morning. It's supposed to warm up, but it's already like getting warm. I'm already hot. Huh? Yeah, I'm like, I'm hot already. I'm like, you don't even need that coat on. Like, whew, this sun is hitting. So crazy. But I have on this, my little jogging suit. I got my little pink jogging. I got on all pink everything. And I got my purse on. Yes, yes, yes. So cute. Oh, and my shades, of course. Boutique will be tagged right here. But yeah, we're about to go get the kids. We're going early to get them because we're actually going to Macon today. Today we are going to a birthday party for our niece and nephew, Winter and Second. They're having that party together. It's Second's birthday. Well, yesterday was Second's birthday. But they're having a party together. They're having that party together. Y'all know Winter's birthday was months ago. Nicole is so funny for that. But yeah, that's what we doing today. I got my computer with me. I need to do some other work too. I need to do some work for like work. But I'm finna do some YouTube work while I'm in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my footage. First, I'm finna put my nails on. So I ain't find my other two nails. I ain't find them nails. But got some more here. So I'm finna find two more nails that fit on these fingers. I got my glue. I know I do. I know I do got my glue. Got so many different things of glue. Different kinds of glue. I never knew I was gonna need nail glue that much. I was using them. I had this kind on hand because of my when I do my locks. Yeah, I know sometimes I use nail glue for my locks to seal them in place. But yeah, never knew I was gonna need nail glue. Rely on nail glue so much. I didn't have time to do that with my head. And because clearly I went to sleep with nothing on my head. But I didn't want to put no product right here because I'm going to come back and curl it. I'm going to come back and curl it. So it's okay. We can just go over my hair anyway. I'll do it before we go to the party. I can't.
He was hysterical.
No, I told him we better keep that do-rag on his head because he's going to have to get separated again.
Brother?
I told him, keep that do-rag on your head.
You looking all over the house for a dirty do-rag.
Let's put it on your hair.
That was traumatizing.
Where's my hair?
So he better keep that darn do-rag on his head. Come on, y'all, upstairs. That is so funny.
Oh no.
Over here getting the boys. Here go another jean jacket.
You got it from your grandma.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
This one he got from his grandma. Yeah, we got 3 jackets now.
Okay.
You ready?
Come on, boy.
Ready? Grandma got the side braid today, and now she gets I want to show y'all. You know, she always switching her hair every time they say they see you. Your hair different.
Oh yeah.
She stays switching it up.
Mom, we ride Monday, what will again?
Yeah, we're gonna go ride.
I think him and his wife in Las Vegas.
We're gonna ride on the 4-wheeler for a little bit. Huh? What's wrong, baby? Where you go? No, you don't wanna go? Hey, you don't wanna go?
Come on, True.
You wanna go ride a 4-wheeler?
No, I won't do nothing.
We're gonna ride a 4-wheeler for a little bit, and then we gotta go to your cousin's birthday party. Thank you, Pop.
All right, Pop. Hello. You could bring him back next week.
Okay. He's so funny. He really be wanting to come over, y'all. Okay, everyone.
He about out of there, but he been laid down. You want to go? Come on, old man.
You got it? You need somebody to come pick you up? What's the matter? Oh, you want to sit down on the step?
Come on. Come on, come on.
Up here at this park again. I mean, at the old school.
Up here.
It was a nice open field. We went last week.
Now we go turn.
Oh.
Like you said, we going to ride again.
True. Yeah, somebody with binoculars got ran over. Okay, True. I ain't leave you no room. Let me let the seat up some, True. Y'all doing it all right back there? Make sure y'all stay sitting down. It's so much fun. Bye, Pop. Look at them dogs. Come on.
You ready to fight that smoke? You say you're ready to fight that smoke? Oh! Daddy!
Here, put her. You got it? Baby, them long legs. Huh? Is it on good, Will? Y'all ready to ride today? We got a fun day planned, y'all. We're going to a birthday party today. You know, it'll be your turn? Yeah. It's going to be your turn, okay? You want to ride too?
Ride too.
My baby, you okay, my baby? Oh, my trick or treat. It's kind of like he feel good.
Mommy, I have a chair. I'm not so proud, Mommy. Okay, Mommy. I'm right here.
That was fun?
Let me see.
I still got my do-rag on.
They got your do-rag on.
It's my super powerful stick. This time.
It's Cynthia turn.
Yeah, it's true.
It's fun. It's it. Go!
Watch it.
Where's my stick?
Sincere had it. There go one right there. There's a stick right there.
It's right there.
Hmm.
I'll take this smoke out.
I have fun at Grandma D's house?
Yeah. I'll take this smoke out. Let me see. See. So.
Okay.
Mommy.
Mm.
My daddy didn't bounce. Hey! Mommy, I just like the water person. Like this. I want my water powerful.
You ain't them long legs, boy. I'm glad it's short season. Not pants season for you.
Stop!
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay, now it's true turn.
truth time.
Now who going?
Truth
Now who going again? Who yesterday going again?
Who going again? He said, wow. Was that fun, Sincere? Did you have fun? Oh my gosh. Whew, I need this sun. Yeah, what? Ooh, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna go home. I'm trying to see what my boy's gonna wear today. It's warm outside for sure. I know it's even hotter in Macon because it's always hotter in Macon. Let me check the weather. Let's see what the weather's talking about. It's only 12:30. Oh, my lights came. So we got some lights. Did I show y'all the deck now? Did I show that to y'all yesterday? With the bench. They built the bench. Everything's done. They just gotta come clean up a couple things, and I think they done. I think they already. I think they really gotta just finish a couple minor things.
First, you gotta get your shoestring tied. Then you gotta ask mommy if mommy wanna go. Mommy had fun last night. What hold him?
Yeah, mommy might be good.
So daddy gonna go ride by himself. Tell mommy to take your shoestring. Daddy be right back.
That was fun, like Sonic X. When that was fun, like Sonic.
It was.
It's like, it's also Sonic like, oh!
Oh my gosh, daddy. I need him to start wearing his helmet doing all these darn tricks.
Him awesome. Go get him! Daddy.
But yeah, y'all. Oh, he just jumped.
My dad called me though. That's so funny. But I thought that it was almost come to me. I thought that it was almost come to me. I thought Daddy almost come to me.
Thought he was gonna come to you?
Yeah.
He tricked you. I didn't want to sit down on this grass. Well, it's kind of too much dirt.
I just sit down on the grass. Oh, go Daddy!
But yeah, they finished the bench thing. So I want to order some seat cushions, but they just told me my lights. I ordered some lights to go on the pergola. Y'all know how I be cute with the lights. We having a little globe light. So we ordered some of those. They just got there. And I got some other lights coming on Monday to go on the fence. We're gonna put some lights around the fence too. But it's more like them other kind of lights. They're not globe lights or nothing. But order some of those. And what else, y'all? I'm looking for like cushions. I don't know.
But Daddy doing a lot of tricks.
He is on a lot of tricks. Let me record him. I know he might want some footage of himself riding. The kids wanted freeze pops. Look, y'all. Y'all like it?
My Rocco like everything. Look at Rocco.
Do y'all?
My
What we got this for? Oh my gosh.
My Rocco liked it.
Do you like it?
But Rocco's looking around seeing how I like it. Look at Rocco.
We got benches built in.
Look at Rocco, Mommy. Look at
Pergola.
Rocco. My Rocco's checking it out.
He checking it out. Look, y'all, we can sit and do stuff. Yeah. Turn around. Look at Daddy. So look at Daddy. Hey, cheese. I love our new deck.
But how do we go down there?
Mommy never enjoyed the deck so much.
Mommy, how do we go down there?
What you mean? Down the steps. The steps right there.
I mean, go down the steps and how we go in there?
Under?
Yeah.
You can't.
Go.
What's called? Your hand? From this?
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
How many what?
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Do it look wider? Or does it just look cleaner or newer or something? It looks bigger though. Like up here? Like the benches? And that top? You wanna have our lights up?
Look at me.
That's what's in that box, the lights.
Huh?
The Amazon box.
Most likely.
Hmm.
I said most likely.
No, I'm telling you. We are going to get a birthday gift.
It's for
Buy twins,
Thank you.
right? I know.
Thank you.
Two, lucky. One lucky, that's what it is.
Oh, you fall.
Right?
He was born first, a little one.
Oh my God. So
Yeah, I think we need a baby.
that was so cute.
Thank you.
Lord.
That's it.
They want to walk. Or you want to walk? Goodness gracious. That was intense.
You wanna walk? You wanna get in, sister?
Or you want to walk?
I'm going up there.
But since he's the only one that want to ride. All right, let's go.
You gotta go find a gift. Can't do that. You gotta find
You gonna want to walk? Don't ask to be getting out. We've made it out here to the birthday party. Come on, guys. They got the jumper over there. They got a horse thing over there.
Mommy, that's the bed.
Dang, I forgot my shades in the car.
Oh yeah.
Y'all not walking in like y'all super excited. Hey! Who gonna ride the horse?
Me.
You gonna ride the horse? Oh, look at her walking. How you doing? How you doing? Hey.
What's up?
Hey, pretty mama. Hey. Hey.
Y'all so long.
I know you didn't have a whole baby. Hey, girl. Yeah, look. You said you got Blippi out there working?
I come all the way around.
Okay, you gonna go all the way around like that? Okay. Y'all about to ride that horse.
Ready to go? Yes, I tell him. Take him down.
Me and Lionel ride the horse. They got the whole Blippi set up over there. Got a jumper over here. We need some music out here. Well, get up. Why you look at boy? Don't get up. Look out there, you in your shoes. Look at your shoes. Hey, what you just do? Put on your shoe? Why would you do that to your new shoes? Kids do not care.
Harder on them than the other two. They're a little bit cleaner than you. Ain't they?
Yes. Like, what? He just purposely go to school and like just drag his feet.
Yeah, the other two are pretty clean.
Yes. Like, what are you doing? They. I think it is his first time.
He's like, let's crawl before we walk.
They don't care.
And go.
Cheers, buddy.
Hey. You wanna walk?
His name's Rico.
Go ahead. Yeah, I can go. Sophie, gonna walk him?
What you got?
What's up, buddy?
Hmm.
You doing all right?
What's your mama drinking?
Huh?
What?
No, I'm just.
Oh, talking about her, Sophie? Oh.
I taught Cassie.
Oh, you did? Oh, you talking about, okay. My lot, okay.
Teasing.
And now, what is she drinking? What you got over there? What's the grown-up
Look
juice?
like a shot.
It's the grown-up juice.
Good job, buddy.
Speaking of juice, I forgot about them little juice boxes you guys got. Them are good.
Yes, I haven't had one in years, right?
I haven't had them in a long time.
Right.
I haven't had any kids or anything.
Forgot they exist, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all have a farm?
She does. She's got quite a few animals. I
Really?
work on a farm. I don't like live with her or anything.
Y'all in Macon?
Yeah, Lizella. Over by, well, I live right by Lake Tobesofsky.
Okay.
But she lives like right on the borderline, like Crawford County. But I work for a large farm, but she's just got like a little acreage, you know.
That's
Few
cool.
animals around.
A Blippi teeny says what you got. Oh, sugar.
Yeah, Blippi teeny.
A Blippi teeny. I keep going, it gets 2 laps, and then you can go again if you want to. Oh, Rico wants your juice. Good job. You ain't know you were finding it.
Yep.
Oh.
It's right here. I'm trying to hold this juice. Say hey. Y'all ain't seen her in a minute.
I ain't.
You want it?
You don't want it? Hmm? Well, oh my gosh. Okay. Well,
Pour it out.
okay. True. Okay. Can you not pour it on yourself?
You can get some.
You done with yours? Thank you, God. Thank you. What fortune in the house?
You know what? I don't even. Got me on.
You know if you want to see them ride the horse, but whatever. He can watch the video, I guess.
But it's still not like
All right.
Come on, yo. You tell Portia to come here. You tell Portia to come here.
Y'all gonna ride?
Mommy, Blippi. Mommy, Blippi.
What? Yeah, I want a Blippi teeny.
Good job, buddy. You like him?
Okay. Y'all want to ride? Y'all can ride together.
What does he feel like?
Can they ride together? Yeah, I seen two.
Yeah, they can. Thanks. Is he soft?
Okay, well, let's. Okay, do I need to get him down? Like, why my hands so full right now?
Oh, buddy, you like it? You want to pet him right here? Oopsie, sorry. Can you pet him? I put fly spray on him. That's why it's kind of greasy right there. Normally it's super white. See, it's shedding. In the springtime, the horses shed. See his haircut?
Her. Rico goes like sniffing. She's like.
Cassidy's seen
Okay.
Rico.
Y'all want to get on?
You ready, buddy?
You don't want to ride?
What's your name?
What?
Your hands are freezing.
You don't want to go, buddy?
You want to ride with Sincere?
Good
He said
job.
no. Did you go well? Good job, man.
I got 10 times.
You went 2 times? What?
You sure you don't
Hey.
want to ride?
What's up?
You can ride by yourself?
You can come sit. You want to just sit for a minute and we won't move anywhere? And you can see what you
You
feel
want to sit
like?
on there?
Go sit down so I can take a picture of you.
Come on, let's try it. Come on.
So
We'll just
cute.
leave
They
try.
matching.
We'll at least try it.
Yeah, yeah.
It ain't gonna be that bad.
You want to pet him first? Look, he's soft. This is Rico. He's sweet boy.
You gotta start trying more stuff.
He's not too adventurous.
It's okay, buddy. Look.
Don't go back in there. Clean on your shoes.
It's okay. We're gonna let Sincere go. He
You
ready.
can walk across
You
the
ready,
You watch
buddy?
Sincere go, okay?
All right. All right, let's go. He says, let's giddy up.
You see Sincere? I know, you got you know kid,
Not
man.
really.
Watch your brother. Look at your brother.
There we go. All right.
Hold on good, baby.
Good job, buddy.
You see Sincere? He going. Look, man, we're gonna be going to amusement parks and on roller coasters. You can't be the kid that's out there crying. You're gonna have to go. You're gonna have to go.
This is the talk right here, boy.
All right.
Look, we're having it, man. We can't be doing this.
Come to the world right now.
Was it fun, Will? It was cool. I need to wake up. Y'all are not lit right now.
You can do it.
You all right? Good job.
Yeah.
Wave.
It's still hot.
You had fun on the horse?
Wave.
Yeah.
He said, I'm gonna hold on. He said, I'm gonna hold on.
Wave.
You did good.
Wave to her.
Wave at mommy.
Wave.
Wave. Hey.
We're going to give you a rope next. You want to go again?
You wanna go again? He said, yeah.
Why are you so quiet? What is wrong with you?
Watch little buddy over here.
You want to get on with him, True?
Turn him over here.
Come this way. Just get out the way there.
Where's the
There we go.
trash can?
Say, come on, Rico.
She got a job.
Good
I'm
job.
gonna put something to work.
Where's the trash can?
I'll hold it so you don't let her. Get to me. I know how you feel about living. True. You can go. He went.
Oh, and the kicks,
Here,
too.
baby.
That is cute. All right, big cheese. What we doing?
Well, say cheese.
Cheese.
Well, look at me. Well,
Look at mommy, say cheese.
hold on. True, can you not?
Where's the car at? What's it like? Dinosaurs.
True.
Where's Blippi at?
It's gonna be funny. Okay.
Oh my.
Well, look at me.
Goodness.
Yes, baby.
Oh, cutesy.
Sincere, look at mommy. Well, smile. Can Okay. Yeah, he wasn't having it. He not having it. Thank you, bartender.
Yes, I said we got get your napkin, baby.
That's a cute little tray.
Okay, what you? Yes, you do.
She came by the whole crew.
The whole tray I'm serving you.
Thank you so
You need
much.
to hold. Wait, you need to hold the
go
tray
again,
with it
Cynthia?
in front of Rico
You wanna go again?
with Cassidy. Hold on, I'll take a picture. I'll send it. That'd be cute.
Rico, it ain't for you now.
Oh, he will snatch it too, like them cookies.
Rico, no.
Cassidy, look.
No, Rico.
Jeez. He's out.
If you want to ride, I think do you need to go in the saddle? I mean, in the
It's up to you. I got it. You gonna go again, buddy?
Thank you very much.
You sure you don't want to go?
All right. Can you scoot up?
Cassie, are you the one taking rain?
Mm-hmm. She working.
There we
Okay, I got laptop in my hands.
With this tray.
She's serving.
Also, don't got to have
Who put the lime up there too though? Who did the lime? That's your brother.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Scooch up. Hop over it. Hop up. There you go. Oh boy. There we go. All right, scooch up, buddy. Can you scooch up? There we go.
No scooching.
She said, y'all better want to get while I'm on here. I'm about to
No,
don't want to be on here.
That's cute.
Okay.
All right. You want to keep walking or no? You don't have to. Okay.
It's pre-KT.
What happened to what other?
I didn't even know they were coming. It was a tree.
Yeah, she who gonna be here.
That's cool.
Rico. Yeah, I think that Rico.
You know the horse? You ain't know till you see Rico. Like you just know the horse. Is that Rico? Rico. Yeah, she cool. They cool. The guy cool too.
They want. Like she got a home farm. She got pigs. She got so many different.
Sissy, are you comfortable?
Better ask her when she comes back around. I'm sure you got a pretty good chance. Y'all the one that's gonna give me a picture on the horse.
He'll do it. Lane, do the video.
It's okay. It's cool.
It's cool. What are you gonna get? What you looking at?
It see me.
It's upside down.
I know it's loose. Yeah, it's loose right now. It's gonna be regular when you when I go.
I don't know if I know how to run that thing. I've never seen such a damn thing like that.
Yeah, babe, she's gonna take a picture first, okay?
I'm a pretty simple guy, I'm telling you.
So this is like
iPhone cameras to the max for me. Like, you know.
just for when you use your left foot in here, and then swing your right foot around, and then I'll turn to like the then once you're up there, you're gonna take your feet up.
I gave him another cookie.
You did. He loves it. All right. I think the sun's better over here, right?
Yeah.
I'll turn him,
It's on this side.
or I'll turn him like over here.
I have to get a little ride.
Heck yeah. As well. You're gonna get in the picture, or so you better smile. You ain't smiling. You won't smile for nothing. There you go. I got a smile.
What, babe? I got to pull him back.
I got a little experience.
Yeah, right there. When he's leaving.
This is cool.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
Red button?
it says record. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I was finna go for a ride.
You gotta hand it to
Huh?
him.
You wanna go?
What?
How I go? How I make him go?
What?
All right, he's gonna feed him. Look.
Okay.
Every horse has got one. I can't. It's like a.
Oh, the
dew claw.
chestnut. It's called a chestnut.
Yeah, it's like a chestnut. It's like a dew claw on a dog. Every horse has got one.
You can feel that, huh?
Yeah, you can, but it kind of comes back.
Yeah, it grows. It's like a fingernail.
Pick it up, buddy. You gotta pass it to him. Put it in your mouth.
You gotta hold it flat like this so it doesn't get your fingers. Look, hold it flat and then he'll take it gentle. Lay your hand flat, buddy. Look, pick it up.
Jonathan, what are you doing?
Here, look, I'll show you. Good. That's it. Perfect. Look. Good job.
Mommy, she's stuck on the horse. Don't know how to get down.
I'm enjoying it up.
That's sincere, right?
Yeah, that's sincere.
He's getting the cookie. Get it, buddy. Bring it here.
Did I feed the horse?
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 9 this year.
Okay.
Hold it flat, buddy. He's probably cookied out.
I know, he's had too many, he's had too many cookies. He's like, hell. Nope.
Nah, I'm good.
Nope.
Oh, there's the tunes. Oh, that's the car.
I was saying, I need some music out here.
I know.
So quiet.
Yeah, he might be
He's had a
thirsty.
lot of treats, y'all. He's trying to want them more.
I think make some head.
Hold
Yeah, that definitely makes sense.
There's a dandelion in it.
That's for when Sincere closed it.
There you go. I got it for you.
Oh yeah, that's a cool view. Do it that way.
Look, you guys. Look at me up here on Rico.
Rico Suave.
Yes, we chilling. I'm just chilling up here, like, you know.
He loves it. He's a good boy. They're riding in
is.
parades and everything.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good. Goodness.
Yeah, he,
Around cows. and all kinds
Can I hold it?
With the camera? You know how the camera?
you can get the view while you're riding.
Let's go. Oh, hold on.
You gonna take her, Sophie? Take her.
Hold on. How you do it?
Yeah.
Take her right here.
Hold
Look,
it.
she can hold it and you hold right here.
Okay.
All right, watch out, buddy.
Oh, yep.
You gotta move out of the way. Sincere, come here, buddy.
Both of y'all. Over here. Come on.
Good job.
What's your name, buddy? John? Brandon, what's up?
Blippi!
John, look out! Get right over, John. John, you're crazy. Name fits you.
He don't want it, buddy.
John, look out. She's gonna ride for a minute.
He said, hey.
Jonathan, watch out.
John, come here.
Now you're old and horses get that big.
Yeah. Winter!
Uh-oh. Come on, Mom's coming. I'm gonna drop with you.
Wow. Cynthia, where's mommy?
River came.
Take it down.
True. Oh, where's Sincere?
Pulling on my shirt.
You are. You want to jump right there? You want to jump with Nova? Why you having such a bad time? You need to get happier. Oh, look at Blippi holding second. See? Blippi? You want to jump on trampoline with Blippi? What's the matter? Who else? You are, so you want to get out and jump?
I know.
Mommy.
Sit down right here and rest for a second.
Wait. You wanna jump with Blippi? True. Wanna go jump? Come on. You take your shoes off?
Let's go. Yep, your family in Blippi, right?
All right, y'all. We having us a little picnic down here. Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
Well, what you doing?
Mommy.
Well, turn around and eat your food now. Thank you.
Now, what are you looking at? Like you in somebody's business. Look at the food, you guys.
My you want? I want my green beans.
Huh? Baked beans.
I want my baked
They're not even green. I don't even think it's tomato or something. You might be able to look.
I want my baked beans.
I really don't think it's tomato. I was getting when I got mine, it was only a little bit left.
I want my green beans.
Just keep eating what you got, son.
Yeah, finish eating your food. Eat your pasta. You got some beans up under that pasta.
I don't have no popsicle.
Pasta.
Yeah, Trey.
I didn't tell you it was a popsicle. Get on my nerves.
Winner. Second. All right, let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday boy. Happy birthday, dear turn second. Happy birthday to y'all.
You see it. Make a wish. Make a wish. Close your eyes. Make a wish. Close your eyes. Make a wish.
Where you going, man? Come back.
Make a wish. Close your eyes. Make a wish.
Hey man, leave the side alone, man.
Where you going?
I don't know. He's an air.
They got this darn music playing in the background, but yeah, I want to get an outdoor rug to go up there, that top part on the thing. I want something, I just don't know, and they finna close. We had to come to the one they making right quick. Like I want something. Leave that alone, sister. Me and True. I do need that deck box. Cause I want to get some cushions, some pillow cushions and stuff. I mean some pillows. Like this look like it go, right? Does that go with this rug? For sure, right? But I don't see no more pillows. I like this pillow. I like that. But where are the rest of the pillows?
Oh.
And they got these, but I don't think our deck is wide enough. You see some more over there?
I'm trying to hurt.
Some hurt.
Yeah.
Come on, it's a car coming. Okay, y'all, so I didn't get anything I needed. I didn't get the stuff because they was, like I said, it's gonna close. And they was reminding us every 2 minutes. It is now. Come on, boy. But I did see some stuff, and I think I do want to get a rug. Come on, baby. Come on.
Not zero.
What? What you fussing about?
Mommy, not zero.
Come on. Video, I don't know. I edited in the car and I've been uploading since I've been home. It's only on 26%.
We meet at the Delgo Palace.
I don't know what's going on there, but I gotta go to sleep. I can't wait on no more.
We're talking to you guys about the
It is 12:35 a.m.
We have history.
Good night, y'all.